Okay, so this is my junk room. One day it'll get all sorted out, but this cabinet was here over 20 years ago when I first moved in, and it's had a few uses in the shed, but it's slowly but surely falling apart. So I thought it was time for me to actually replace it. So over the last few months, I've been given and salvaged quite a lot of sort of like MDF, chipboard and all sorts of things here. So this is what's going to replace it. The top is an old desktop, and you can see there it did have the cable holes. I've just turned a couple of plugs there. So there's this black chipboard, and there's the melamine there. It's a lot bigger, a lot higher, because it's just slightly too small for that old one. Or this is bigger than the old one to suit me. It's all, apart from the doors, the drawers. It's all been sort of like donated. I had to buy the 12mm, 6mm plywood for the drawers, and it might look very nice, but it is far from my best work. I've had to make do. The melamine wasn't sort of like wide enough, so I've had to put a fillet in the middle there, so the doors don't quite meet in the middle, so that's like a little piece in the middle. A bit hard to see from here maybe. Big bow in the top, causing me problems. The side panels themselves, again, bows in there, and water bulges, I think that's what I'd call them. So trying to sort of like get accurate measurements, and for instance like to get the drawers to fit, it's been a nightmare. But this is the replacement. The other one will go, well, I'll salvage a bit of it, but it'll go on the bonfire. So this is what I've been doing this week.